This is the power adapter. To install your power adapter, you can use the included screws and mount it directly to the ceiling, or you can mount it with our smart track.
Before installing any smart track, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your smart track and the products you will mount to it.
To mount with screws, you'll need to remove the included universal mount, as this is only used for mounting to smart track. Using the included paper template, make 2 marks on your ceiling where your screws will go. If possible, we recommend finding a stud for at least one of your screws, but it is not necessary. Insert your screws into the drywall. A screwdriver should be used here, as a power drill could cause you to bottom out the screw and strip the hole. Let your screw head stick out 1/4 of an inch from the wall to properly mount the adapter. If mounting to SmartTrack, make sure to check out our stud finding video here and safely mount your SmartTrack to the studs in your ceiling. You'll need to use the drill bit included with the SmartTrack to pre-drill holes, and make sure you use 2 lag screws for each piece of SmartTrack. The power adapter mounts to the SmartTrack with the universal mount that came with the adapter. Simply slide it onto the SmartTrack until it snaps into place. Plug the power adapter into the nearest outlet, and you're ready to operate several of our DC-powered products, including the MyLifter, Spotlight, SoundDrop, and Park Assist. With the power meter on the adapter, it's easy to tell if you connected too many devices and are drawing too much power. The meter will turn from green to yellow to red, indicating that the adapter is full. Once the meter goes too far into the red, the adapter will cut power automatically to keep you and your property safe. Unplug the last item from the adapter to restore power, and visit our website to purchase another power adapter. The connectivity of the power adapter doesn't stop with the DC outlet. With the additional AC outlet, you can connect as many of our AC-powered products as you have room for, including the Power Drop, the Air Drop, or another power adapter. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.